बृहत बेंगलुरु महानगर पालिका के मुख्य आयुक्त महेश्वर राव ने कहा, दो स्थान ऐसे हैं जहां हमें कुछ समस्याएं मिल रही हैं। हमें बेहतर समाधान तलाशने होंगे। उत्तरी बेंगलुरु में पानी ले जाने के लिए ड्रेन लाइन की चौड़ाई बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है। हमें कल मुख्यमंत्री से निर्देश मिले हैं कि सर्वोत्तम कार्यवाही सुनिश्चित की जाए।
At Silk Board, what we see is that the moment the carrying capacity of the downstream canal is not enough. I will ask my team to see what is the best solution beyond this, because with this kind of rain, there is always going to be clogging. Of course, internally there are some issues of taking water, clogged drains, etc., which we will resolve. I mean, in the areas around BTM, I believe that there is some issues of cross drainage, etc., which may remove the problem from BTM, but it will transfer the problems to the Silk Board junction itself, because at the end of the day, if we are not able to take this water out at this quantity, because it's coming from upstream, then there is a problem. As you know, today also for half an hour, 45 minutes, there was a stoppage in traffic because Rupen Agrahara to Silk Board junction, there was water. So I'll go back to my team. We are already putting some projects in for the World Bank project. Let us see if there are something else we can do. Okay, the second point I just wanted to mention. The other area, of course, is which has been highlighted yesterday, is there is a requirement to increase the width of the drain line for carrying water away from in North Bangalore near Kedalalli. So those are two areas which will be a priority soon.
So many more affected areas like Hulimavu, Sarjapura, and near the Vitro, all these areas are affected.
Those are,
any solutions need to be...
See, most of the areas, if you look at it, last year the biggest problem was at Yelahanka, near the Kendriya Sadan, not Kendriya Vihar, which has now no longer, the drainage line is through, so it's no longer such a major issue, it's not highlighted. So I think most of the places, if there are some small interventions taken, definitely we'll be able to resolve the issue. These two will focus
How
this year.
the civic authority is keen about it?
Obviously, the directions have come to the Honorable Chief Minister yesterday that we have to ensure that we take the best action possible.
You are also visiting from the morning. What is the present situation?
The present situation, I think today morning we have got information about high rainfall in RR Nagar, but there has been no major issues other than low-lying areas, a couple of places. And other than that, there's nothing else except Silk Board again because of rains in the catchment area.
Thank you so much.